Okay, so good afternoon to all. Okay, so again we have a merge label for batch number B and another batch is C. So yesterday, sorry, Tuesday also we have the merge label of B and C. A C હતી તો B તો હતી ને એમાં કે B ના હતી CRV સાહેબની મારી સાથે હતી B ને C. And now again we have B and C. So in that lab, we already performed the experiment number 4, which is about the implementation of Boolean logic function by using logic gates and the combinational circuits. Okay, so that experiment we already performed. Now again, as a batch is merged, we have to move ahead. Now today we have to perform about the experiment which is about the construction of half adder, full adder and the subtractor by using the logic gates. And we have to verify its truth table. So before performing the experiment, first we are learn about the theoretical point. Okay, what is the half adder, what is the full adder, what's its circuit. So what is actually half adder? So till now we already learned about the, you can say, the binary addition. Okay, so we required some hardware which is used to add two binary numbers. So here you can say the half adder is a circuit which is used to add binary numbers, two binary numbers, but in that we have only one bit. Okay, so one half adder is required for one bit addition. Okay, you have a number A and you have a number B, both having only one bit. Okay, so if you want to add this A and B, then you have to use the half adder circuit. So the limitation of half adder is that it is used for the only adding for the one bit only. So that type of circuit is known as the half adder. Now let's say this is my inputs A and B. So it's having a four different possibility. Let's say my A is 0, B also 0. So 0 plus 0, you are aware about that. When you are adding two numbers, there are two possibilities. One is sum, and when you are adding, there is a possibility of generating carry also. So we have two possibilities. One is sum, another one is carry. So you are adding 0 and 0. So my sum, 0 plus 0, sum is also 0. And the carry is also not generated. So my carry is also 0. Then 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, we are putting sum 0 and adding carry to the another bit. So this is the truth table of the half adder circuit. So from the truth table, I have to draw the logic diagram. So now you give me the answer. You have any gate which having a truth table like 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0? Any directly gate it is related? For OR it is 0, 0, 0 and for OR other it is 1. For 1, 1 also it is 1 for OR gate. Here for 1, 1, let's say we have to focus on sum only. Okay, so which gate is used for this? 0 0 also 0 and 1 1 also 0. It is exclusive OR gate. Okay, exclusive OR gate is also known as the dissimilarity gate. When all the inputs are dissimilar to each other, then and then it will give output 1. So for 0 1 also it gives 1, 1 0 also it gives 1. So for sum column is represented by a exclusive OR gate. Now you have, so this is the exclusive OR gate. Now tell me, you have any another gate which is represented carry also? 0 0 0 0 1 also 0, 1 0 also 0 and 1 1. It's AND gate. Very good. So the carry column is represented by a AND gate. And my input is common for sum and carry, it's A and B. So this is the logic diagram of the half adder circuit. This exclusive OR gate gives me the output of sum and AND gate gives me the output of carry. Okay, so I am getting sum and carry. So this is about the half adder, but what is the limitation? Suppose you have to add numbers of bits. Okay, so the limitation is that we cannot add 3 bits together. Suppose you are adding 1 plus 1. And in next bit also 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 sum is 0, carry 1. So in next we have 3 ones. So the limitation of half adder that it is only used to add 2 bits only. When you have a 3 bits, then half adder cannot be used. Okay. So to remove this error, instead of half adder, what we are doing? We are using the full adder circuit. So this is the full adder circuit. Now what is the full adder? You can see here the full adder adds the bits A and B and also the carry which is generated from the previous addition. Okay, when we are adding two numbers, the carry will be generated, that carry will go to the next bit. 1 minute. Okay, that carry goes to the next bit. So we required one circuit which add 3 bits together, So for that we have full adder circuit. You can see the full adder bits adds A and B and the carry which is generated from the previous column. Now that carry is known as the C in. Okay, here we have 2 carries. One is C in and you are adding these 3. Again, if say carry is generated, that is known as the C out. So we have 2 options, carry in and carry out. So this is the truth table of the full adder. Now we have 3 input possibility. So again the table you have to remember always it is the table of octal. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 up to 1 1 1. And now I have to add this number. So 0 plus 0, sum also 0, carry also 0. 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. 0 1 0, sum 1, carry 0. 0 1 1, so 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 0 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 0 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 1 0, sum 0, carry 1. And for 1 1 1, so 1 1 1 is 1 1. So sum also 1 and carry is also 1. So sum 1 and carry also 1. So that is the truth table of full adder circuit. Carry in, suppose તમે જે previous input add કરો છો એનાથી જો કોઈ carry generate થાય તો એને આપણે C in કહીએ છીએ. હા, કેરી આવી નથી, સપોઝ આપણે ઇનપુટ 3 બીટ કન્સિડર કર્યા, તો ટેબલ ઓક્ટેલ વાળું જ કન્સિડર કર્યું. Okay, so we have the equation of sum and we have the equation of carry. The circuit is somewhat difficult. See, we required half adder. Half adder is, suppose I want to add 2 plus 3 plus 5. But what is the limitation of half adder? It will be add only 2 plus 3. So its output I am, if adding with 5, another 5, then I am getting the 10. Okay. अगर हमें 3 बीट ऐड करने हैं मगर अपने पास हाफ एडर ही है, तो हाफ एडर की लिमिटेशन क्या है? वो 2 बीट ऐड करेगा, उसका जो आंसर आएगा वो मैं थर्ड बीट के साथ ऐड कर दूंगा, तो मेरा हो गया फुल एडर. तो यहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही है, ये देखो मेरा फर्स्ट हाफ एडर, ये मेरा दूसरा हाफ एडर, मगर दोनों हाफ एडर की जो कैरी जनरेट होती है उसको हमें ऐड करना है. सो टू ऐड दिस वी आर यूजिंग द OR गेट. OR गेट वी आर यूजिंग फॉर एडिंग. ओके, तो ये पूरा जो सर्किट है वो हो गया फुल एडर. ओके, सो वी हैव हाफ एडर सर्किट, वी हैव फुल एडर सर्किट. ओके, so first we will perform this experiment on the virtual lab and then in the Delphi. Okay. Now, those who are attending the session online, I will share the link. Otherwise, you can write down here in Google, Digital Electronics Virtual Lab by IIT Bombay. Okay, you have to write down Digital Electronics Virtual Lab, IIT Bombay. Then go to the first link, which is the vlabs.iitb.ac.in. Then we have to go for the list of experiment. Then you can see here, we have experiment number 2, which is the construction of half adder, full adder by using XOR and NAND gates and verification of its operation. So click on that. So that is the aim. We have to go for the theory. Now you can see the theory. Adders are digital circuit that carry out addition of numbers. Okay. So we required adders to add the numbers. Adders are the key component of our ALU, which is arithmetic logic unit. Adders can be constructed for most of the numerical representation like binary coded decimal, BCD. Okay, we already completed 1's complement and 2's complement. From next session, we have to start about the codes. So we have BCD code, XS3 code, gray code, binary code. We have different codes. So out of this binary addition that we already learned, these are the rules: 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1. It is the most frequently performed task. by most of the common adders. Okay, and apart from the addition, adders also used in certain digital application like table index calculation, address decoding. So there are numbers of applications of adders, but here we have to mainly focus on adding the binary numbers. Okay, I already told you about the half adder. The half adder is a combinational circuit that performs simple addition of two binary numbers, and in each binary number we have only one bit. ओके, हाफ एडर एक ही बीट को ऐड कर पाएगा. तो ये उसका ब्लॉक डायग्राम है, ये ट्रूथ टेबल जो हमने अभी देखा. एंड दिस इज द लॉजिक डायग्राम ऑफ द हाफ एडर. કશું જ નહીં, શું કામ નહીં? એકવાર આ પતે પછી એમાં કરવાનું. Okay, so this is the logic diagram of half adder. We can also implement the half adder by using NAND gate, but again it is pending. Okay, how to implement half adder by using NAND gate? And also you can realization of half adder by using NOR gate. So there is one theory which is known as the logic gates by implementing only NAND gate and NOR gate. Why? Because NAND gate and NOR gate is known as a universal gate. By using NAND gate and NOR gate, you can implement any logic gates. Okay, that we already performed. And this is the circuit of full adder. You can see here, the full adder is used to add 3 bits instead of 2 bits. So the limitation of half adder that it is used for the only addition of 2 bits, but by using the full adder we can add 3 bits together. Then we are adding numbers of half adder we are adding. Simple જ છે, તારે કેવી રીતે કરવું છે એ રીતે એડ કરી શકને. Suppose full adder, one full adder is for 3 bit, then you have to add 4 bit, then you have to add one half adder only. So output of 3 full adders, okay, एक full adder 3 bit દઈ દીધા, એને આઉટપુટ આપ્યું, એક half adder લઈ લીધું, એનું એક ઇનપુટ છે એ half adder માં દઈ દે, અને ચોથું ઇનપુટ half adder માં દઈ દે, તો થઈ ગયું 4 bit. હા, simple, you have to add numbers of half adder and full adder for adding a more numbers of bits. Yes. Okay, now this is for the students who are attending the session online. You have to unmute yourself and give me the answer in chat. Okay, first question is, in a parts of the processor, adder are used to calculate addresses, table indices, increment and decrement operators, or all of the mentioned?
All of these.
Okay. Now the second question is, total number of input in a half adder. How many numbers of input we have in a half adder?
2.
2. Okay. In which operation carry is obtained? Subtraction, multiplication, addition, or both addition and subtraction? It's addition. When you are
Both, sir,
adding,
both.
then and then carry is obtained. For subtracting, we require a borrow. Okay. Now next one is, if A and B are the inputs of a half adder, the sum is given by which gate? Yes, A XOR B. And which gate is used for the carry? NB.
A number.
Very good. Submit the quiz. All of the answer given by you, it is correct. Okay. Now we have to go for the simulator. So let me share this link with you in chat. So you can also click on that link and perform the experiment. Okay. If you are attending the session from mobile, then also it will be open. See, now you have two options. One is half adder, another one is full adder. So let me show you the half adder. In half adder, we have two simulators, simulator 1, simulator 2. So in simulator 2, you have to make truth table. In simulator 1, you have to perform the experiment. Now you can see here. So, as I already told you now, this circuit you have to implement in DelSim also. Okay, we require two ICs, one for the exclusive OR gate and another for AND gate. Okay, so let me switch on the supply. Now you can see my input is 0, 0. For 0, 0, my sum is also 0, my carry is also 0. Add these two tables. Then let's say my input is sum 0, 1. So my sum is 1, 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. You can see here, add it to the table. So sum 1, carry 0. For 1, 0, you can say again my sum 1, carry 0. And for 1, 1, now my sum 0, carry 1. So you can verify the truth table of half adder. And same way you have to verify the truth table of full adder. Okay, and you also have to simulate the simulator 2. Now here you have to add, let's say A0, B0. So you are aware about that your sum 0 and carry also 0. Then you have to click on check. If it is correct, then here in remarks it is written like correct. But suppose if I am doing some mistake, and then you can click on check, it will give you that your answer is incorrect. You can see here. And if you want to see the circuit, there is one button of circuit also. If you click on circuit, your circuit is also visible. Okay, if you click on circuit, your circuit is also visible in the screen. So you can verify your inputs. Full header. Full header. Okay, once you complete the half header, you also have to perform the full header. A B bar plus A bar B. Okay, once you complete the half header, you have to also going for the full header. So again, in first, you have to verify the table. And in second case, you have to write down the table by yourself. Okay, those who are attending the online. ओके, फुल हेडर का भी हो गया. हेमंत, विवेक, विशाल. કેમાં આમાં Okay, in simulator 2, it's not a mistake actually. Let's say my A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. Huh? Okay, here the mistake is the sum and carry, they are. Here there is a mistake in written. Okay, now you can see I am writing down 1 here, which is actually written here carry, but it is actually sum. So the uppermost you have to consider as a carry and lower you have to consider as a sum. Okay. तो ये ऊपर है आपको जो सम लिखा है एक्चुअली इट इज कैरी, बाय मिस्टेक इट इज रिटन एज अ सम, एंड जो नीचे कैरी लिखा गया है वो एक्चुअली है सम. तो ठीक है, अगर आपका आंसर सम में 1 आ रहा है तो यहाँ कैरी की जगह लिखिएगा तो आंसर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, हो रहा है. हाँ, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, ये एक्चुअली कैरी नहीं है, ये जो है वो है सम. यहाँ पे देखो मैंने यहाँ पे 1 लिखा कैरी में, मगर यहाँ पे कहाँ आया, सम में आ गया ना. तो ये जो लिखा है ना, ये सम और कैरी वो इंटरचेंज हो गया है. एक्चुअली ये अपना आउटपुट है वो सम है और ये आउटपुट है वो कैरी. ठीक है, कहाँ पे 1 देना है बोलो, यहाँ पे 1. ठीक है, तो 1 + 1 क्या होगा, सम 0 कैरी 1. सो एक्चुअली ये मेरी कैरी है तो इसको 1 करना पड़ेगा और ये मेरा सम है तो इसको 0 करना पड़ेगा. चेक करोगे तो करेक्ट आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है, वो सम और कैरी इंटरचेंज हो गया है लिखने में. इसमें ये थोड़ी डायग्राम में थोड़ी गलती है. हाँ, ये बताए पीसी पीसी कौन कौन यूज कर रहा है. ઓલી ક્લિક કરો તો રાઈટ ક્લિક થાય છે. આ ઈ દેખાડો આ સાઈડ. આ સાઈડ જોઈ લેજે. એ એક લાઈન કરી નાખ તો ઇનફ છે. એને જ કહીએ, આપણું કામ થોડું હોય. कैरी 0 नहीं है एक्चुअली, ये जो है जो कैरी लिखा है वो एक्चुअली सम है और ये जो सम लिखा है वो कैरी है. ओके, इसमें किसी को डाउट है? Okay, for implementation, you have to remember the table of octave. So this is the actually truth table, starting from 000 up to 1111. Okay, so I think all of you are completed that. Now, before going to the DELSIM, there is a post test. Now you have to give me the answer. Okay, half header have a major limitation that they cannot accept a carry bit from the previous stage. The next one is the difference between half header and full header is third. A, B, C are the inputs of full header, then the sum is given by A, N, B, and C. You can see the circuit. We required exclusive OR gates. So let me show you. See, this is A XOR B. I'm giving to another gate. So some equation is A XOR B XOR C in. Now third one. A, B, C are the inputs of full header, then the carry is given by
Sir, C number.
again C. Okay. And last one, how many AND gate, OR gate and
3,
exclusive
1, 2.
gate? कौन सा?
C number.
Again C. कितने एंड गेट चाहिए, कितना और चाहिए और कितना एक्सक्लूसिव और चाहिए? इट्स बी. तो दे आर गिविंग एक्चुअली दिस.
सर C number होगा इसका.
और ये भी वो सी नहीं आएगा, एक्चुअल में यही करेक्ट है बी. आप देख लो कितने गेट चाहिए. ठीक है, ये 1, ये 2, तो 2 एक्सक्लूसिव और चाहिए, सिर्फ एक और गेट चाहिए और 2 एंड गेट चाहिए. ठीक है, मगर जो इसमें आंसर फिट किया गया है, जैसे वो सर्किट में गलत था वैसे इसमें भी ये आंसर है वो गलत है. तो यही करेक्ट आंसर है 212. और इसमें भी यही करेक्ट आंसर है दैट हाफ एडर में 2 इनपुट होते हैं और फुल एडर में 3 इनपुट होते हैं. ठीक है, फुल एडर में 4 इनपुट नहीं होते, 2 आउटपुट होते हैं, मगर हाफ एडर में भी 2 ही आउटपुट होते हैं. तो इसमें भी ये सही आंसर है, मगर बाय मिस्टेक दे आर कंसिडर एज अ रॉन्ग आंसर.
તો ઓપ્શન સિલેક્ટ કરવા સ્ટુડન્ટ આપી દીધું હોય.
આ લોકો ગોલ કાપી દીધો સ્ટુડન્ટને, ભાઈ આ આવી રીતે આન્સર મોકલી દેજો. એનાથી ભૂલ થઈ ગઈ, પછી ટાઈપ કરવામાં ઓલાએ આપી દીધી હોય, સર્કિટ અલગથી બનાવી દીધી. એવું તો થાય છે, કંઈક તો રહે છે. ઓકે, now we have to perform this experiment in the Dell sim. So you are aware about the Dell sim. Let me share the link with you. શું નથી આવતું? બધાને બનાવો પડશે, મારે નહીં બનાવવું પડે. I'm sharing you the link with all of you. Click on the link. પ્રીમિયમમાં પૈસા દેવા પડે. મેં તમારી જેમ. Now you have to make the XOR gate. So instead of that, see, directly implement the equation. Okay, only implement the half header. Let me show you the equation of half header. So this is the equation of half header. It is actually A B bar plus A bar B. Okay, directly implement the equation of half header, which is here equation is A B bar plus A bar B. So instead of required exclusive OR gate, what you required? 2 AND gate, 1 OR gate and 2 NOT gate for B bar and A bar. Simply use 3 IC. Okay, we do not require the another one. Okay, we do not require the exclusive OR. For some, make this equation. We already learned in the last lab how to implement the function by using ICs. So it is very easy function, A B bar plus A bar B. The equation is very easy. A B bar plus A bar B or A bar B plus A B bar. It's your choice. Okay, so we do not require any exclusive OR gate. Okay, सिर्फ AND गेट, OR गेट और NOT गेट से बन जाएगा हाफ एडर पूरा. बनेंगे. क्लिक करो वहां पे नहीं, कहां पे करना है? यहाँ पे क्लिक करो. यहाँ पे क्लिक करो, तभी खुलेगा. कहाँ पे रखना है वो ओपन करना है. एक नोट देते हैं ऐसी तो हेक्स इनवर्टिंग लेते हैं ना, 100 नोट देता है. You have any doubt? Anyone? See, what I required, I want to add AB bar plus A bar B. So again, I have to add IC. I required AND gate. Then again go to add IC. I required OR gate also and NOT gate. So this is NOT gate, my 7404, which is inverting gate. And then again add IC. I required OR gate also. Okay, so 3 ICs we required, AND, OR and NOT. Now I want to make suppose AB bar plus A bar B. So how can I make? Suppose let's say this is my A. So giving to the AND gate one input, now I require B bar. So this is my B, I am giving it to the NOT gate, and this is my B bar, so I am connecting pin number 2 with a 2. So this is the output A, B bar, I am connecting it with a OR gate. Then I required A bar B. So I am connecting A with a NOT gate, and the output is A bar, so I am connecting with pin number 4. And this is my B, I am connecting with a pin number 5. And this is my output, pin number 6 is AB bar. And then let's say pin number 1 is my carry. Now I required sum also. And all the ICs pin number 20 actually here, you have to connect with a VCC. And pin number 7 with a ground. Okay, now I want AB for carry. Okay, equation of carry is A into B. So now we have to use another gate. So pin number 9 and 10. Let's say this is my A. I am connecting with 19. This is my B, connecting with 18. And 17 is my output. So this circuit is completed. Half adder. Now switch on the supply. Suppose 0, 0, my sum is also 0, my carry is also 0. For 0, 1, my sum is 1, carry is 0. For 1, 0, again my sum is 1, carry is 0. But when both are 1, 1, you can see my carry 1, my sum is 0. So it is the working of half adder. Thank you. ચાલે એ તો ગેટ જ છે ને યાદ રાખવા હું વાંધો આ તો 3 માં પૈતું ને ફૂલ એડર માં કેટલા ગેટ જોશે બે હાફ એડર જોઈએ બરોબર આમાં કેટલા ગેટ યુઝ કર્યા એટલે 3 તો આઈસી યુઝ કરી ગેટ કેટલા યુઝ કર્યા એન ગેટ 3 નોટ ગેટ 2 અને ઓર ગેટ 1. ઓમાં શું થશે? ડબલ પ્લસ એક એક્સ્ટ્રા ઓર ગેટ. તો એન ગેટ જોશે 3 ને 3 6. નોટ ગેટ જોશે 4. ઓર ગેટ જોશે 3. A equation થી બનાવવું difficult છે. See, now if you want to try full adder, so let me show you the equation of full adder. So now this is the equation of full adder sum. A bar, B bar, C in. So instead of C in, consider C. So this is the equation of sum of a full adder. So we required here 1, 2, 3 and 4 AND gates. 1, 2, A bar we already have, and C bar, so 3 NOT gate, and 1, 2 and 3 OR gate for sum. So required 4 and 3 OR, 3 NOT for sum, and this is the equation of carry. Eh? 4, 3, 3 again. Now try to make it. Okay, if you already aware about how to make the half adder, by using this equation you can easily make the full adder. Okay, use this equation which I already tick mark. This equation for sum and this equation for carry. ના અહીંયા નહીં બને. So which IC you have to use? This one, 3 input AND gate, because we have to multiply A, B, C. So instead of simple 2 input, we require 3 input AND gate. આ 5 જગ્યાએ યુઝ કરીએ. Okay, so first you see the data sheet of this 3 input AND gate. So in single IC we have 3 inputs, you can see. But third input you can see the pin number 1, 2 and 13. 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. So see the data sheet and then connect the inputs. Okay. હા જો આ છે. This is the data sheet. Equation. નોડ ની આગળ લગાડો નોડ તો ઓલ બની ગયું. ઓર ને ક્યાં લેવા દેવા છે? ભાઈ એવું ન કરાય ને. ઓર નું તો પેલા બે નો સમ એનું આઉટપુટ આવે અને ઓલા ત્રીજા નો સમ લઈને બે દઈ દઉં. 2 + 3 + 5 હોય એવી રીતે. એમાં લખ્યું છે ને આ પિન નંબર 12, પિન નંબર 6 અને પિન નંબર 8. એમનો મેં ખબર ન પડી કે આ 3 ઇનપુટ છે. આઉટપુટ તો એક જ હોય ને. 3 આઉટપુટ થોડા હોય. એ આઉટપુટ ક્યાં જાય છે ઉપર? ઓમે y1 y2 y3 લખ્યું હોય. y is your output. અને નીચે જો ટ્રુથ ટેબલમાં જો y આઉટપુટ દેખાયું છે. આ નો હોય તો જે ઉપરથી ત્રીજી પિન, થર્ડ પિન ઉપરથી, એટલે તમારી પિન નંબર 18 એમાં હશે. એ થઈ જાય એટલે સ્ટોપ કરી નાખો, પછી કેરીની અલગથી બનાવો. યસ. હા. હા, સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લ્યો કે સેવ કરી લ્યો. શું નથી થતું? કનેક્ટ નથી થતી. આવો. ના ના, આ તો ખાલી ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ કરવા માટે. થઈ ગઈ? આપણી પાસે તો આમાં છે ને કીટ જ છે, ખાલી ઇનપુટ જો ને આઉટપુટ જો એમાં મજા નહીં આવે. એમાં બોક્સ જ આવે, જોયા કરો ની. એમાં તો હું હોય લાઈટ ચાલુ થાય એવું થાય. આમાં તમે ડાયરેક્ટ કનેક્ટ કરો તો તમને ખ્યાલ આવે કે ઇન્ટરનલી કનેક્શન કેવા હશે. Okay, so actually those students are here. They already performed these two. So those who are online, ओके यहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट है उन्होंने तो मोस्ट ऑफ कंप्लीट कर दिया है. Those who are attending the session online, what's your status? Either it is clear or not. I'm not getting any response from anyone. Same. કારણ કે ઇક્વેશન તો સેમ છે સી અહીંયા 1 2 3 4 અહીંયા બી 1 2 3 4 તો સેમ સાઇઝ જ રહેશે બસ કનેક્શન ચેન્જ થઈ જશે લાંબી એટલે ગેટ છે મોસ્ટ ઓફ બધે 14 પિન આઈસી છે સપોઝ તમે નંબર્સ ઓફ ઇનપુટ વધારો તો એમ નંબર્સ ઓફ ગેટ છે ઇનસાઇડ ઓછા થઈ જાય સપોઝ Suppose if you are going for the add IC, see quad 2 input name. Okay, 2 input, 2, 3. Then we have 4 input AND gate also. But in that we have only 2 AND gates. Let me show you the VLSI ને બધા એના કોર્સ કરીને શું કરતા હોય ચીપ જ બતાવતા હોય now you can see here how many pins we have તો ટોટલ 10 પિન તો બે ગેટમાં જ વહી જશે 2 પિન્સ છે 1 ફોર VCC 1 ફોર ગ્રાઉન્ડ તોય બે પિન વહી તો એ બે પિનનો ક્યાંય યુઝ જ નહીં કરે so it is known as the NC pin number 3 and pin number 11 we do not have to connect this and instead of this you can also make a 5 input મેન્યુફેક્ચર વાળાની ડિઝાઇન છે બધાની થોડીક અલગ અલગ હોય ને અમુક પિન નંબર 1 માં કનેક્ટ ન કર્યું હોય અમુક 3 માં ન કરે અમુક 4 માં ન કરે એનો કોઈ મતલબ નથી ખાલી એક પિન એવી છે ટોટલ બે પિન એક્સ્ટ્રા થશે નો કનેક્શન વાળી પિન નંબર 14 ને પિન નંબર 7 is common for all the IC 7 ground 14 supply VCC બાકીની પિન તમે તમારી રીતે કરી શકો તો એમાં જો આ કંપની છે એ અલગ અલગ કંપનીના અલગ અલગ ડાયાગ્રામ્સ હોય મેન્યુફેક્ચર પોતપોતાની રીતે ચેન્જ કરતા હોય અમુક 3 યુઝ કરે અમુક 4 નો કરે અમુક 4 કરે 3 નો કરે બાકી વર્કિંગ તો સેમ જ આવે હમણાં પૂરું થાય ને okay so that's all from my side okay I request all of you please write down your enrollment number in a chat with your batch okay B batch or C batch and only write down for one time And once you already written, if you want to leave, you can leave the session. यहाँ पे जो है बी बैच वाले कितने नंबर